Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make ranch turkey bacon pinwheels. I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. I'm going to be using flour tortillas. You can also swap that out for spinach. You get the large. I'm using 3 scallion onions, 1 packet of ranch salad seasoning, and 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. You can add lettuce, but remember it will be wilted and soft if you don't eat everything the next day. I'm going to be using 8 ounces of soft cream cheese. You want that to be at room temperature. And also you're going to need some thick cut or any kind of bacon, but you're going to need a half a cup of bacon. I use 6 strips. And I'm also using leftover honey baked ham turkey that I purchased. So I'm going to get everything set up and turn the camera around. Welcome to my channel. Channel of easy, quick, fast meals. If you don't like to cook, don't want to cook, this is a great game day appetizer or for something quick for a family snack. Let's get cooking. Okay, so I've cooked my bacon. Got a cup of cheese. That turned out to be about a half a block of the sharp cheddar. Then I have my super soft cream cheese. And then to this, I'm going to add the recipe that my girlfriend gave me. Asked for 3 tablespoons of the ranch seasoning. I'm going to go 4. Like I said, you know, I'm extra. So I'm glad I looked at it. I was going to dump the whole pack in here. Well, 4 is just about the whole pack. So I figure a little extra seasoning won't hurt. So just put the whole pack in there. And then there's a half a cup of bacon. And I did 6 strips. This is extra thick cut bacon. So it's probably more than a half a cup. But, you know, who's going to complain about extra bacon? Put that in there. And then this was 3 scallion onions that I chopped. And then the cheddar cheese. I'm going to mix this together. I had a spoon. I don't know what happened to my spoon. But anyway, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to my channel. I upload 2 videos a week. I always include inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke at the end. I'm making these for appetizers. I love appetizers, and it's a game. You know, my husband watches football big time. We're here in Michigan. And the Lions are doing great this year, so it's all about snacks and appetizers. And how can you go wrong with turkey and bacon and cheese? And you see this mixes together really easy. Just make sure that your cream cheese is room temperature. That is the key to this recipe. I'm just mixing this very well, trying to anyway. And this is great, like I said, for potlucks, games. If you have to take some appetizer somewhere, you see how easy this is. The only problem is it has to chill for at least 1 hour in the fridge before you slice it. And I'll show you that later after it's chilled. You want to slice it with a really sharp knife. So now what I'm going to do is get one of the large tortillas. Supposedly it makes 3 of these. Now we'll see. Smooth this out. I'm wearing a glove because I cut my finger over there with a really sharp knife. My pinky finger nearly took it off. I thought I was going to end up in the ER. And as an ER nurse, that's the last thing you want to do. Because if they're really busy, if they don't have anybody that can sew right away, you could sit there hours while the super sick people go on in. And you only need two little quick stitches. Now on this part closest to you, I'm going to take it all the way to the edge because this will make sure that it seals. That's very important, so it'll stick together when you roll it. You want to roll it as tight as possible. I probably got this way too thick because it's supposed to be a thin layer. I'm trying to smooth this out without tearing the flour tortilla shell. Then you just lay the turkey on top and roll it up. We had a lot of extra turkey left from the holiday. I wanted to make something with it. And I called my girlfriend and asked her for the recipe. And this is it. Thought you guys would really enjoy this. Okay. Yeah, little extra, probably a lot too much, but who's gonna cry about that? So, just making sure it's definitely at the end so it'll seal when you get to the end. Okay, so like I said, I'm using honey baked turkey. So you can use sliced. Thinner is better. Mine's a little thicker cut, but wanted the way to get rid of it without throwing it out. So it looks like I'm gonna go 4 across, like that. And then you begin to roll this ever so gently and tight. Make the pinwheels. Let's move it a little bit over here. I'm gonna move this one over. Make sure it's, and anything that's, I'll show you at the end, if it's not cute, you just cut it off when we get these rolled. Yep, I see it's trying to tear on me, so I'm gonna try and be a little more gentle on the rolling. There we go. That's one. And see that I'll just trim that off. I want to make sure that this seals together. I'm just going to take my finger and add some more in there like that. These are really good. My girlfriend brought them to a baby shower and they were so good. And I love pinwheels, so if you're somebody that likes pinwheels, you really get a kick out of this one because it's so simple. As you see, it takes less than 20 minutes to make. So that's the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on pause and get the last 2 together and then show you how you cut these. Okay, so you can see this is the last one. Your girl only got 2 out of a recipe that is supposed to give you 3 of these. So yeah, it's obvious that I have way too much filling. So if you need to make 3, have more than what I'm showing you, I would definitely make sure you get it much thinner than I did, because yeah, the bowl's empty and I'm not gonna cry about it. So I hope you guys had a good holiday. This is leftover turkey and honey baked ham, and these are really good. Like I said, what I don't eat, because I'm probably gonna be the only one eating these. See, when it starts to tear, problem. And this turkey is really too thick for this. You're supposed to use thin turkey, but like I said, I was determined not to waste all that turkey. Rolls up pretty nice. Then I'll scrape out what's left and make sure that it seals. And then you wrap this in plastic, put it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 1 hour. I'm gonna go overnight and show you guys tomorrow what these look like when they're cut. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And more importantly, I love the comments. One lady asked me where I got my pot from. One person corrected me and told me that I didn't, Italian was with a small I instead of a big I. So, like I said, I'm not a chef. I just like cooking. Quick, fast, easy meals, because I don't like to cook. I try and show you guys something quick, fast, and easy. Put in your recipe book for people like myself who don't like to cook, don't have time to cook, and don't want to cook. So let me correct myself. I do not like to cook. It is painful just to do this. So I'm just making sure these are really tight. Okay, so I'll see you guys back tomorrow and show you how these turn out and tell you guys my joke. Okay everyone, it's been 24 hours. I used foil. I was too lazy to use saran wrap or cling wrap as suggested by my girlfriend. I'm going to unroll one of these and show you how to cut them. Like I said, if they're not cute like that first end there, I'll cut that off. Make sure you have a really sharp knife. Take that one. It's about 1 inch roughly. And if your knife gets stuff on there, just wipe it off in between cutting. And these are really delicious, you guys. You might want to give this recipe a try. Turned out pretty good using that super thick turkey. Like I said, technically the recipe is supposed to be used with sliced turkey that's much thinner. But as I've proven here in this video, you can use pretty much whatever you have, ham or whatever kind of meat. But that was kind of thick and hard to roll. So I'm going to get this cut up for you guys, turn the camera around and tell you guys my joke. I hope to see you guys on the next one. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'm so grateful for all of you who tune into my channel that the woman who doesn't like to cook, doesn't have time to cook, and just loves to eat and loves delicious food. So I'm getting down the movie so you can see them. Yeah, you want a sharp knife so you don't have to press down as hard. This knife is pretty sharp. Okay, so let me turn the camera around to set up for some pictures and tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, there you have it, turkey pinwheels. These things are absolutely delicious. They'd be great to take for lunch if you have any left over after a dinner party or a football game or any type of family gathering or a holiday appetizer. So let me tell you guys my joke. A husband and wife that works for the circus go to an adoption agency looking to adopt a child, but the social workers there raise their doubts about their suitability. So the couple produces photos of a 50-foot motor home which is clean and well maintained and equipped with a beautiful nursery. The social workers are satisfied by this, but then raise concerns about the kind of education the child would receive in the couple's care. The husband puts their mind at ease, saying, "We've arranged a full-time tutor who will teach the child all the usual subjects, along with French, Mandarin, computer skills." Next, the social workers express concern about a child being raised in a circus environment. This time, the wife explains, "Our nanny is a certified expert in pediatric care, welfare, and diet." Social workers are finally satisfied and ask the couple, "What age child are you hoping to adopt?" The husband says, "It doesn't really matter as long as the kid fits in a cannon." Thought that was kind of funny. He's going to be part of the circus, or she. Well, anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. God bless. Have a good evening. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share.